Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 74 times 59 is my first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. Let me make my multiplication sign a little neater, a little more. Make that stand out anymore. Legibility does matter. All right. So 74 times 59. Step 1, we are going to multiply the 2 digits in the ones place. We're going to multiply 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now, because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 6 in 36 goes in the ones place, carried over to the tens place. Next, we are going to multiply 7 times 9, and then we have to add the 3 to our answer. So 7 times 9 equals 63, plus 3 equals 66. So far we have multiplied 74 times 9. Now we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. So since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Four times 5 equals 20. Or no, yep, 4 times 5 equals 20. So we're going to put the 0 and 20 goes in the tens place, and the 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 5 equals 35. Plus 2 equals 37. All right, next, we're going to add these two numbers together. And we will have our final answer. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 74 times 59 equals 4,366. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, next example problem. 84 times 57. So we start out multiplying the digits in the ones place. We're going to multiply 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. 8. Carry the 2. 8 times 7 equals 56. Plus 2 equals 58. So far we have multiplied 84 times 7. Now we are going to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Four times 5 equals 20. 0, carry the 2. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 2 equals 42. Next, we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 plus 0 again equals 8. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 84 times 57 equals 4,788. All right, on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Uh-oh, it's the Mr. Camilleri, Mr. Camilleri, Mr. Camilleri show. I'm gonna put a poll in and see which intro song all of you like better. Please respond to the poll. I'm gonna put a poll in right now. 93 times 47 is gonna be our next example problem. Example problem number 3. But let me put in the poll. Putting in the poll right now. Which intro song do you like best? Intro song 1 or intro song 2? All right, so that's my poll. All right, starting with the ones place. 3 times 7 equals 21. So the 1 in 21 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. We have to regroup anytime our product is 10 or more. 9 times 7 equals 63. We have to add the 2 that we carried over to our answer. 63 plus 2 equals 65. Let's see if the person in the chat is right about the final answer being 4,371. Let's see if he's right about that. Could be, very possible. So far, we've multiplied 93 times 7. Now we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 4 equals 12. The 2 in 12 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 4 equals 36. Plus 1 equals 37. And now we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. Let's see if the viewer in the chat's correct about the answer being 4,371. Let's see. We got to add these two numbers together to get our final answer here. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 93 times 47 equals 4,371. 93 times 47 equals 4,371. The person in the chat was correct. Shout out to all my viewers commenting on the video. All right, next example problem. All right. Next example, here we go. 94 times 32. So we're going to start by multiplying the digits in the ones place. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. Next, we got to multiply 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. All right. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're putting a 0 in the ones place. Next, we multiply 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. The 2 and 12 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 3 equals 27. Plus 1 equals 28. Shout out to the person in the chat actually participating, coming up with answers. Let's see if he's correct again. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 8 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer. Viewer in the chat is correct. 2 for 2 so far. 94 times 32 equals 3008. Let's see how we're doing on the poll so far. So 67% say song 1. 33% say song number 2. All right. Well, singing song 1 right now. Here we go. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, definitely vote. Hoping to get at least 5 votes before the end of the video. All right. Next example problem, 48 times 39. 48 times 39. 8 times 9 equals 72. 2 carry the 7. 4 times 9 equals 36. Plus 7 equals 43. We're putting a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. 8 times 3 equals 24. We regroup because our product is more than 10. The 4 and 24 goes in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 3 equals 12. Plus 2 equals 14. And we are adding these two numbers together to get our final answer. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 48 times 39 equals 1,872. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Have a great day, and God bless.